A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. R. This is the letter R. The letter R. This letter R is red. Red starts with R. Red. The letter R. Rain. Rain starts with the letter R. Rain. Rake. Rake starts with the letter R. Rake. Reindeer. Reindeer starts with R. Let's make a reindeer. You'll need a candy cane, a pipe cleaner, a permanent marker, a pair of scissors, and maybe a ruler. You could use a brown pipe cleaner, but today we're using red because red starts with the letter R. Take your pipe cleaner and measure a couple of inches. Cut the pipe cleaner at the 2-inch mark. Take your candy cane, wrap the long pipe cleaner around it, and give it a little twist. Now take your short pipe cleaners and wrap them around the top and give that a twist. We're making a reindeer. Take your permanent marker and you can draw some eyes. You could even make a reindeer nose. There's my reindeer. It is my red reindeer. Reindeer starts with R. Rhyme. Rhyme is a word that starts with R. We can have fun making a rhyme. Here is an R word, rat. Rat starts with the letter R. Rat. What rhymes with rat? Cat. Rat, cat. A rhyme is when two words have sounds that sound the same. Rat has at and cat has at. Rat, cat. It's a rhyme. Let's do another. Rug. Rug starts with the letter R. What rhymes with rug? Bug. Bug, rug. They kind of sound the same. They have a different letter at the beginning, but they both say ugh. Rug, bug. We made another rhyme. Let's do one more. Rose. Rose. Rose starts with the letter R. What rhymes with rose? Nose. Nose, rose. Rose starts with R and nose starts with N, but they both have O's in it. Rose, nose. We made another rhyme. Let's play a little game. Here we have rose, rug, and rat. Let's find their rhymes. Rose, bug. Do those rhyme? No. Rug, bug. Do those rhyme? Yes. Rug, bug. Let's try again. Rose, cat. Does that rhyme? No. Rug, cat. Does that rhyme? No. Rat, cat. Does that rhyme? Yes. Rat, cat. Rose, nose. Does that rhyme? Yes, it does. Rose, nose, rug, bug, rat, cat. It has been fun to rhyme. Here is a ring. Ring starts with the letter R. Ring. Ring. Ring starts with the letter R. Ring the bell. Sometimes the same word means two different things. Ring and ring. Robot. Robot starts with R. Robot. Robot starts with R. The letter R.